Imagine you're building a house. You start with the foundation, the sturdy base that holds everything together. In the world of software, that foundation is the programming language. So what language is ClickUp built in? Let's dive in and find out. Have you ever wondered if the language a software is built in affects how it works? Does Python make it more user-friendly? Or does C++ give it a speed boost? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind ClickUp's linguistic backbone. Before we reveal the answer, let's understand why the language matters. Think of it like choosing the right tool for a job. A hammer is great for nails, but not so much for screws. Similarly, different programming languages are better suited for specific tasks. Python. Known for its readability and versatility, Python is often used for web development, data analysis, and machine learning. JavaScript. The language of the web, JavaScript is essential for creating interactive websites and web applications. C++. A powerful and efficient language, C++ is often used for systems programming, game development, and performance-critical applications. So, which one is ClickUp using? The reveal. Drumroll, please. ClickUp is primarily built in JavaScript. Why JavaScript? Web-based platform. As a web-based application, JavaScript is a natural choice. It's the language that browsers understand, making it easy to create a seamless user experience. Rich feature set. JavaScript offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that can be used to build complex features like drag-and-drop interfaces, real-time collaboration, and custom integrations. Community and support. JavaScript has a massive and active community of developers, which means there's plenty of resources, tutorials, and support available. Beyond JavaScript, while JavaScript forms the core of ClickUp, it's likely that other languages are also involved. For example, Python might be used for data processing or machine learning tasks, and C++ could be employed for performance-critical components. The impact of language. So, does the choice of language impact how you use ClickUp? Not directly. The language is behind the scenes, ensuring the software functions smoothly and efficiently. However, it does influence the overall development process and the potential for future growth and innovation. In the end, the most important thing is that ClickUp is a powerful and versatile productivity tool that helps you get things done. The language it's built in is just one piece of the puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.